Good morning. Today we're in Keswick in the north of the Lake District and at a beautiful property. The views from here are fantastic. I'll just quickly show you around. So that's some view. And this is what we've got to do. It's mainly the front that's bad. So this is a wet dash property, and you can see that there's lichens, quite a bit of mould on there, staining at the top. These dormers at the top here, there's a lot of staining on there. A few watermarks down here. And that dormer's quite bad up there. Again, this in here, just starting to take hold. And this gable's getting quite a bit of staining. So again, there's a mark up there. So let's see how we get on with this one. So, I'm pleased with that one, and if you like this video, please press the like button, and if you subscribe you'll get notifications of future videos, and we'll see you on the next one.